Okay, I have a 5-pin Sargent lock from Luke Locks. Let's open it up and see what kind of pins are in it. Okay, got the clip off. So let's put it in, open it up, see what kind of pins are in it. Okay, we're going to use light tensioning on this lock. Better get it up here where you can see it. Okay, let's use top of the keyway. We're going to use light tension, light pick action on it. Let's switch to the bottom of the keyway on this lock, see what happens. And maybe not. Okay. Okay, there was pin 3 and 4 and 5. There's pin 1. Let's go to the back. I think we dropped a pin. Okay, let's reset it. Okay, there was 5, 4, and 3. Okay, let's use a different pick. Let's use this pick. Okay, there's 1. Okay, and it's open on pin 2. Okay, this lock must not be a challenge lock. Must be all standard pins. So, received this from Luke Locks. So he said he's going to send me some that was unmodified. So I guess this one's not modified. Okay, the plug is messed up on the end a little bit. See if we can get it through. Okay, there it's starting to come. Okay, pin 5, pin 4, they're all standard pins, so this lock is all standard. Okay, there is another lock with a wafer in it. another one with a wafer in it. So this had some master wafers in it. And another wafer. Okay, all standard and had wafers in 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there's another pin come out of something. There's an extra pin. There's another wafer. Okay, nothing has been done about the plug. Put these springs up here. Get this spring out of the way. Okay, that lock had bunches of wafers in it, and have no idea where they go, but we're not going to put the wafers back in. Okay, that went there. Okay, all this lock had is standard pins in it with a wafer. Let's look at the key. Okay, this is the bitting on the key. Okay, that's what this lock has on Sargent lock, 5-pin. Okay, appreciate your time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble.